Good day to you. Thanks for watching my channel, and if you are watching this channel for the first time, consider subscribing and turn off the notification bell icon so that you don't miss my video anytime I drop them. Today, without wasting much of our time, I'll be teaching you guys how you can humanize AI generated content. Yes, AI generated, we all know now, everything is about AI. You want to do this, you go to AI. You want to do that, you go to AI. Copyright, blog posting, essay writing, so just name it. Just come to, even AI is doing keyword research, and there are some of us that use that need original content, human generated content, but we find it difficult or time consuming. So but today I will just teach you guys how you can humanize your AI generated text without paying to any website, without subscribing to any website. All we are going to use, they are all free. As you can see on my screen, I'm on GPT. Yes, this is one of the world AI tools, content generating website. You understand? So now this, I'm going to make use of this to give me a content to write. I'm going to instruct AI to generate content for me, and I will check the you understand the is it I'm going to check it for AI generated text or human text, and before we humanize it. Please, if you are watching my YouTube for the first time, consider subscribing and turn off the notification bell icon. At least once or twice in a week, I drop information, useful info videos like this, so that videos that will make life easier for us. You understand? So without wasting much of our time, let me ask AI GPT to give me content. Just instruct fastest way, fastest way to succeed online. So it's generating text for us. This, you already know what AI text me, AI content me. Let me stop generating here. If you want it to keep generating to last, you understand, to your own satisfaction, is going to continue generating. As you can see, it has generated text for us. It's not compulsory how it complete essay, because what I'm going to show you is just how you can convert AI text to human text. So now let's copy it. The first website we are going to use is called copyleaks.com. So now let's go to copyleaks.com. So it's an AI detector website. We have a lot of websites like that on the internet to check your AI, to check your content, if they are human generated content or AI generated content. But this is one of the best websites that we use. So now let's go to AI detector. I'll click on AI detector. It's going to load for me. So let's wait for it. Still loading. So it's going to tell us, as you can see, this is the box. This is the box we are going to put in our text. So I'll paste it here. This content I copied, I'll paste it here. Can you see it? So now I haven't done that. I will now click on check. I'm going to check if it is AI text or human generated content. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. It doesn't take time. I want to also check for capture or something like that. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. It's still rolling. Still rolling. I want to mix them up. It's a step at a time. Okay, this is what I'm saying. So I want us to check what's it called. Okay, can you see it now? They are all AI generated text. You see? As you can see. Can you see it? They are all AI generated text. So now, what are we going to do? We will now move on to another website where we change our AI generated text to human generated text. So now follow me. From my first step, I go to ChatGPT, I generated text. Then I come back to copy links to check who wrote the text for me. Is it human or AI? Now the next thing I'm going to do is, there's a website called Tele from the word television, teletalk.top. Can you see it? talk. It's an SEO website. Yes, it's an SEO website and it helps a lot. As you can see, those are the things you can do here. I'm not here to analyze, but at least I'll just show you what the website is. I mean, it's all about for you. This is what concerns us most. This article rights, and then you can also check your plagiarism, what counts the number of words. You can check your IP address, Alexander rank of the website to understand meta tag analyzer, link analyzer, backlink checker. You can see we have a lot here. Keyword density checker, that is a keyword checker. How is that who is I already know that who is the rank checker. So that is that for this website. So without wasting much of our time, we have a lot you can do here. At your own leisure time, you can just come here and check it out. Without wasting much of time, let us go to so the text I copied from ChatGPT, that is this text that is on the copy paste as well. Then I'm going to paste it here. So I'll just Control V, right click and paste. This one doesn't even take time at all. So once I paste it here, I'll click on submit. As you can see, it's done. It's done. I click on an eye. It's done. So now I'm going to copy this text again now. You can compare it attaining achieving online engage aggregate factors of techniques. Blah blah blah. These are the article right here. Clear vision and desire, target market, first class content. You understand? The best thing I like about this website is that it's not a kind of article that will just change your article that everything you don't even want understanding of it again. No, this article, this website is very okay and well, imagine see the article just paraphrase now. There's something you can do on keyboards as we have video on keyboards. You can check my comment section, I'll pin it there. Then this is very easy without wasting much of our time. You can use it to write a book, to do whatever you want to do. So now let's copy it out. Control A, copy. Now go back to the text. I'm going to clear this out. Then I will now paste it. You see where I click on clear, I just click on clear here. Then I will paste it. Paste and check. So it's going to check for us now. Can you see it? This is human text. Can you see it? Without wasting much of our time. Generated that from ChatGPT. We check the originality on this page on this copylist.ai.copylist.com, and it shows that it's AI generated text. And from there we move into editor.top. Then we'll write the article and we'll come back to check the article and it gives us 100% human text. So with this, we can use it